we met Mario, one of the hosts of the Mall's museum. He told us proudly that this was the first museum in Scampia. I was so attracted by the personal items in these boxes, and I just couldn't help imagining how meaningful and important they could be to someone. Mario told us they belonged to the kids from Scampia. So I asked Mario what those sentences on the boxes mean in English. I was trying to better understand these kids and also this area. The moment I heard some of the translations, I was flooded with emotions. Then I knew I was truly connected with these warm and bright souls right since that moment. This sentence, with the pencil, you can reach a friendship, even if it's far away, reminds me of how I wrote postcards to friends I've never met for the whole year while I was struggling in my last year of high school. The meaning of the letter, this old way of communication, lies here. Short paper, but long love. This area doesn't have a very bright past in its history. However, the kids from Scampia could have a bright future. Just like Father Eraldo said, they are the future of this area. Yes, love, hope, passion, these precious qualities are shining on these kids. You know, the beauty of a flower growing from dark mud is always shocking. Book, music, genuine love, and passion for art. The kid treated the broken pieces of a flute as his or her chair. In the case of the children from Scampia, the hope they show in their works is powerful in guiding a kid to grow upwards and upwards, and it functions the same as sunshine to the tree.
And that was in November is when Gelsomina Verde was killed.
Ed è la 114esima vittima di quella faida, dopo nemmeno 2 mesi.
She was already the 114th victim of the faida, but she was an innocent.
And Gelsomina Verde, the volunteer teaching children of the Camara family in a local kindergarten, who was killed by Camara when she was only 21, would be happy to see the bright future of Scampia.